Hey, this is Mr. Webb. In case people didn't catch what I was doing when I was showing you the notes, we kind of wrote them out on the Jingle Bells. Hold on, please don't play while I'm making my video. All right, awesome, very cool. We're making a tutorial video here. Miles is going to show Mr. Webb's hands how as they play. So Miles, so we know that the song is that right there is an E because we wrote it in because we're cool. And down here's a C. So Miles, grab my, so down here, look, that's the middle C. See the Yamaha piano thing in the group of 2 black keys? There's the C right there. So that's where our thumb of our right hand is gonna go. And then over here, our pinky of our left hand is gonna go. So Miles is gonna shine that thing right down on the door. He gets both of my hands. Got both of them. All right, here we play Jingle Bells for you. And then we flip the page because so that way you know how to practice it. You notice how Mr. Webb's fingers stayed on the keys the whole time. That's kind of what you want to do. Have a great day.